Alright, so I was grabbing the kids a snack today at Sonic, because it's Friday, and I noticed they had a pulled pork cheeseburger. So, just made some pulled pork. They had a pulled pork cheeseburger. I have to give it a try. Of course, I'm going to put my spin on it, but we have to see what theirs is about, because Sonic is pretty good usually. So, here we go. Just got home. So, pulled pork, burger patty, barbecue sauce, some onions, and I believe pickles. This is what we got. Okay. Looks pretty good. Pretty heavy on the sauce. I'm kind of a light sauce guy. Got some pickles on there. The patty, cheese, pork. Good stuff. We're going to go ahead. We're going to take a bite of this, see how it is, and then we're going to make our own version of a pulled pork cheeseburger. Stay tuned. Alright, let's see how this tastes. That Sonic pulled pork cheeseburger. Then we're going to go ahead and make our own and see. Let's go with the bite, with the pickles, the barbecue sauce. It's not about looks, it's fast food. Let's see how it tastes. It's actually a pretty good barbecue sauce. Pulled pork is decent, it's not too dry. Burger patty is Sonic's, tastes great. Cheese, overall it's actually really good. If I was looking for a quick snack and I didn't have pulled pork at home, would definitely recommend it. It's awesome. Let's go ahead and make our own though and make this even better. Alright everyone, we got the Flat Rock heating up. We're going to be going ahead. We got our Snake River Farms Wagyu ground beef. We're going to make our pulled pork burger. See if we can do it just a little bit better than Sonic did. Who am I kidding? Of course it's going to be awesome, and it's going to be way better. We're going to have fresh homemade pulled pork. We're going to have Wagyu ground beef. Great cheese, an awesome bun, cooked at home. Stay tuned, it's gonna rock. Alright, we have our quarter-pound Snake River Farms patty, handmade, and we're gonna place it on our griddle and get this cooked up. Alright, we just finished our pulled pork cheeseburger. It's kind of messy, but that's how a burger should be. We have that homemade pulled pork that I was talking about. We have that Traeger barbecue sauce, American cheese, because that's perfect on a burger. Our Snake River patty. Pickles. We're going to dive in. Going to see how this tastes compared to that Sonic pulled pork cheeseburger. I got the dog circling me down below. Mmm. Homemade burgers just are so different, you can just tell. The meat's just so much fresher on it. Got cheese that had just come off the griddle, those little burn parts of it. Great cheese skirt. That homemade pulled pork that was cooked up on the griddle at the last minute, give it a little bit of crispiness. That barbecue sauce, the pickles for the crunch. That King's Hawaiian bun for a nice bite. Got the kids screaming in the background, of course. That's how it is. So, messy but delicious.